guys, welcome to Foot Machinery, and today I want to show you this product behind me. This is our Raymond Mill. It can produce pounder ranging from 80 mass to 325 mass. Now, let me show you in detail how it works and how it performs in actual work. So first up, we've got the feeding process. The crushed gypsum ore gets fed into the Raymond Mill by an electromagnetic feeder. Inside the mill, the grinding rollers and the grinding rings keeps processing and grinding the gypsum pounder. Meanwhile, the fine blows the pounder around, helping it circulate inside the mill. Finally, the classifier sorts out the pounder with the right finish and sends it into the dust collector. Then, it comes out through the discharge port, ready for packaging or the next step in the process. Alright, now let me walk you around this Raymond Mill and show you some of its other features. This is the heart of this machine. The grinding rollers and grinding rings where all crushing happens. They're made from wear-resistant alloy steel, so the machine lasts over 30 years and stay efficient even after long hours of use. Right above that is the pounder classifier, which has a blade designed to help improve sorting efficiency. Look, this is the gypsum pounder ground by our Raymond Mill, and you can say it's really clean and fine. This machine is made to customers' specifications and is very happy with this machine, and we will ship it very fast. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Okay, thanks again for watching.